Maniniwala ba kayo na may condominium property dito sa Quezon City na malapit sa transportation hubs? 3 to 5 minutes walking distance lang din sa Soler, Trinoma, Vertis North, and Seda. Hindi na din kayo lalayo dahil may malapit na point-to-point bus. Malapit lang din dito mga hospitals, schools, and universities. At lahat ito, located sa Viña Residence. O diba, hindi na kayo lalayo. Sa accessibility pa lang, enjoy nyo na. You will also appreciate our hotel-type lobby and our 3 high-speed elevator. You and your guests will enjoy the amenities like indoor gym, infinity pool, sky lounge, and multi-function hall. We have available studio unit and 1 bedroom. Dito sa Quezon City, mataas ang appreciation value. It is also open for Airbnb and rental business. For our InstaHomes promo, you can acquire this condo unit for as low as 13.8k monthly. To know more or to schedule a viewing, just message me.